So, continuing with the ribcage, we'll be working on the serratus. Let's hide the parts we don't need so they don't stand in the way. This right here, and this head that really doesn't fit this body. To make the serratus, we'll make a few lines. One over here, like this. Another over here, like this. And another, just like this. Just in case, to do what I just did, just hit Ctrl-Shift-X and Ctrl-Shift-S to hide and show gradually part of the grid. What we're doing right now with the move brush is adjusting the size on these areas. So this right here is not that bloated. Let's try to keep a kind of curved shape here. Thinking of the ribcage as a cylinder. Okay, so this muscle gets noticed from the front, especially in very muscular people. We continue with the lines. So we're drawing them like this. We select the dam standard. You can try with the highest subdivision. And we begin to draw the lines. One this way, another this way, another this way, and a little one right here. Later we will adjust them in a better direction, but it's basically this. So now with a clay or standard brush, we're going to start to fill this area. The idea is that it looks a bit inflated, not as flat as it is right now. We soften if there's the need to, and one by one we're adding volume to the serratus. It's still too flat. Let's do this one. This shouldn't be that big either, although with Hawk as our model it shouldn't be any problem. So let's move this area a little bit. Don't forget to check from every single angle for bumps or clefts that may damage the shapes. This right here, for example, can be moved a bit. So now what we're going to do is to add volume to the edges of the back, because we want to make sure that it looks like the serratus are passing underneath. These kind of details make the difference. My advice here is to do it with the highest subdivision, so it looks more detailed. Later on we'll be softening this area so it doesn't look that defined. Although I've seen people looking like that. To finish, we'll be drawing some extra lines for the oblique muscles. But first, let's fill this area. We soften. Later we'll have to define this area here. It looks too softened. It doesn't look good. I don't like it. Let's deepen this part over here. Okay, so let's wrap it up for now. Next video we'll be working on the oblique muscles, and see you on the next video.